Welcome back. Today we will learn arc, polygon, ellipse, slot and spline. So in the arc we have three different types of arcs. The first one is 3-point arc, and here we can see these three types on the right side. For 3-point arc we need to specify our first point. This is our start point, and this is our second point, and we need to specify our third point. We can change its dimension like this. The distance from this one and this one is, I can write 200, and the radius for this we can change like this, or we can change like this. And the second type of the arc is center point arc. For that we need to specify a center point, and then our start point from where our arc will start. And then if I move my cursor, then you can notice that our arc creates like this. So we need to specify our third point, or we can specify the angle for this. If I want to create an arc at 45 degree, then I can give the dimension like this. The third type of arc is tangent arc. For tangent arc I draw two lines, and then I start a tangent arc. This is my first point and this is my second point, and then we can notice that this is our tangent arc, and this is our tangent constant visible here. Delete all of this. And the next thing is polygon. In polygon we have three types of polygons. The first one type is circumscribed polygon, in which the circle will be inside of the polygon. So this is our center point, and if I move my cursor, then we can notice change in the size of polygon. We can specify the value like 500, press tab, and these are our sides. So if I want to create 6 sides, then it is preset, we can change it. If I want a 4 side, then it will be a square, or we can change to our desired value. And this is the value of a inside circle, which is radius. The next type of polygon is inscribed polygon, in which the circle will outside of the polygon and polygon will be inside. For that we can see here our circle is outside of the polygon, and again we can specify our values like this. And this is our second type of polygon. If I make it horizontal, then click on this, and this is our constraint which makes lines horizontal or vertical, and now it is done. The next type of polygon is edge polygon. And this is my start point, this is my end point, and this is our polygon. So it means that this specifies only 2 points, and then it will create a complete polygon. And the next type is ellipse. For ellipse we need to specify our center point or starting point, and then we can move to our desired position like this. We can change its dimensions. This is our major axis, and this is our minor. After ellipse we have slot, and in slots we have total 5 types of slots. The first one is center to center slot. For that, we need to specify the distance between center to center. Like if I put 1000, then we can see how it works. The second type of slot is center point slot, in which we will specify only center point and one extreme position, and then it will create a slot like this, and it will be symmetrical on this and it will be symmetrical around this center point. After that, we have overall slot, in which we provide this point and this one point. Like we try this. This is our start point, this is our end point, and our slot will create inside of these 2 points. The third type is a 3-point arc slot. So it is not straight. First point, second point, and this is our arc. And we can specify the thickness of this slot. And the last type of slot is center point arc slot. It is similar to this one. So for that, we need to specify center point and an extreme position, and then we can specify angle. If I put 45, then look at this. After slot, we have spline, and in spline we have 2 types of splines. The first one is fit point spline. Spline is mostly used in surface modeling, which is used to create complex bodies. So this is very helpful. We will use it in our sketches. So these are the points which controls this spline. If I move away, then length of this changes, and if I move it around the center point, then we can notice how it changes the shape of a spline. In this way, we can adjust its curvature. We can also move these points like this on our desired positions. This is a very helpful tool in sketch workbench of Fusion 360. And the next type is a control point spline. In this we will see we have these control points which controls the curvature of a spline like this. In the next video, we will learn other remaining commands. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.